This is the brand new Logitech G325, a wireless gaming headphone designed to offer an immersive experience with superior comfort for all-day gaming. Let's unbox it and take a first look at the G325. In the box you get the headphones, a LIGHTSPEED USB receiver, a USB-C to A cable, and user documentation. Taking a quick physical tour of the headphones, on the left you have the LED status light, power switch, LIGHTSPEED Bluetooth toggle, volume button, mute toggle, and the USB charging port. Setting up the G325 is quite simple. To connect your headphones with the LIGHTSPEED dongle, first plug in your LIGHTSPEED receiver to your computer and switch on your headphones. Your headphones and receiver will automatically pair with each other, indicated by the solid white LED. To connect via Bluetooth, switch on the headphones. Press the Bluetooth button for 1 second, and now long press the same button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode, which is indicated by the LED blinking rapidly blue. On your preferred device, go to the Bluetooth settings and select the G325 to pair the headphones. The LED will display solid blue for 5 seconds once paired successfully via Bluetooth. The G325 is designed to provide the best comfort for users. The breathable knit fabric, dual-layer foam padding, and the smooth, rounded surface design encourages all-day gaming without breaking a sweat. Experience dynamic and immersive audio with the G325. Thanks to 24-bit audio support, you can enjoy your favorite music and even hear the smallest in-game footsteps with incredible clarity. The built-in beamforming AI microphone helps reduce ambient noise for crystal-clear communication. With an impressive wireless range of up to 30 meters, you can freely move around while listening to your favorite music or taking a break. And finally, enjoy uninterrupted gaming with 24 hours of battery life, so you never have to worry about your headphones quitting mid-session. With superior comfort, AI-powered beamforming microphones, and 24-bit audio support, the Logitech G325 is designed to be your ultimate companion all of your gaming sessions. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, link in the description. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.